Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. रटना नहीं है, समझना है. My name is Sajidya Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Factorization Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9, math chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.9, question number 5, Sindh Board, part 5, question number 5, factorize the following. My dear 9th class students, they are solving of method. First, take common methods. First, write question. Second, find AB value. Write formula. Put values in bracket. Use right hand side. Right, and your must be target is make your question the left hand side of formula. Fifth, first write question has been done. Second, find AB value. Before finding AB value, how can we will find AB value? We need to make the terms. When you will not make the terms, you cannot do it. Factors. These are factor of 16x. The first one will be out. And these are factor of 25y square. This first factor will be come out. Then this. Now let's come to fifth one. Put values in bracket. A square minus B square is equal to bracket A minus B bracket A plus B bracket. Done this. Now fourth, put values in brackets. Now we will put small brackets. Bracket 4x bracket minus bracket B means 5y bracket and square is equal to bracket means 4x minus sign B 5y. And this as it is thing will become here. Only plus sign will be changed. Done this. Now let's solve this. Let's see in solving this the same question is coming or not. 4 4s are 16. Now we will open this. Minus sign 5 5s are 25 y square. It is making. Now we have done bracket and make. Now fifth, use right hand side. Now we will use the right hand side. And right hand side 4x minus 5y bracket 4x plus 5y bracket, and it's become your answer. The book answers are written. You can now check your target. Now we have achieved your target. Okay, book answers written. You can check it. First of all, 4 square minus 5y, 4x minus 5y, 4x plus 5y, 4x plus 5y. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.